Hi, so this package was delivered to me like 2 hours ago and I want us to unbox it. I don't want to preempt, so we're just gonna go straight into unboxing. I have been just cutting the sellotape. Up here are my contact details and delivery address, and this is how it's packaged. It's a bit dusty. Let me put this down. It's a bit dusty, probably because of how it was stored. I'm gonna turn that and just loosen the sellotape on this side. Oh, I'm terrible at unboxing stuff. This thing is so difficult. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Let's put this away and remove it. I think I've opened it the other way around. This looks like the bottom, but I don't think it matters that much. So I will just place, I'll remove the contents, put them aside. Oh, it's packaged very well actually. Look at that. Okay, so what do we have here? So we have what does this say? We have 3 cards. Which one do we start with? Okay, let's start with this one. There's a letter from YouTube. Some 100,000 subscribers. Just how far have you come? Very far. It's been almost 2 years of a lot of work. If each of your subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. Yeah, 100,000 it's a huge number. It's not a small milestone. So that's far, it is. And it's why today we are so excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Not only have you brought a unique voice and style to the world, you've also created valuable connections and built a community along the way. I sure hope so. In that spirit, YouTube is proud to present you with the Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievement. Thank you so much. Congratulations on this amazing milestone. Just one of many that we hope will follow in the future. Amen to that. After all, there are countless others out there who have yet to discover your passion and dedication. Whether they come to your channel to learn something new or just for a laugh, a whole new audience is waiting for you to inspire them, just as your growing community continues to inspire you. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we'll be with you every step of the way. Thank you. Yours sincerely, Susan something. The second name is very difficult to pronounce. CEO of YouTube. This is so thoughtful, so nice. Okay, let's put this aside. Then we have this small card, which I really hope is visible and you're able to read. Share the recognition by allowing your team to purchase a personalized creator award. Oh, so if you have like a team, if you work with a team, they can actually purchase copies of the creator award. Interesting. And then you have this small card. Business, looks like a business card. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick. I really appreciate it. If your award was damaged during shipping or if you have any questions, please contact us at what address? Right. So, oh my god, it looks bigger than I imagined it. You know, we always see these things on other people's YouTube channels and they usually look so small, but look so big. Looks bigger than I imagined it. This is awesome. So if you follow my community tab, you know that I had posted some bad news like a month ago when I hit 100,000 subscribers because they reviewed my channel and concluded that it was ineligible. So at first I had given up hope like completely. I said, I won't get the great award now. What's the point? But after someone commented and said, oh, maybe you should just reach out to the YouTube creators, like the ones who educate people about YouTube. So don't give up. That is what that person said. And I ended up taking down that post because it showed that I had actually given up, and yeah, it was such a sad post. So I decided to watch some videos from these peeps. It hit me that there's a video I had unlisted a while ago and YouTube had flagged a link to a company I was reviewing. So I went back and then I realized I never deleted that video. I was given a community guidelines warning because of that link, because YouTube analyzed it and they didn't think it was safe. So I just unlisted the video, but I never removed it. Then it hit me, I actually should completely delete that video. And then I reached out to YouTube, and of course, you know, they give these awards at their own discretion. It's not like my right. It's not our right. We just get it, you know, if YouTube wants to give it to you. So I just reached out and explained. I said, I realized there's a video or a link I had placed in one of my unlisted videos and I had not deleted it. I have deleted it and I hope my channel can get reviewed again. And they did review it again, and yeah, I was eligible after all. I felt so relieved. Like, I was so disappointed after all this work. This is one of the things you look forward to, you know, as much as you're creating for more than just an award or money or whatever. They're just some small things that just motivate you along the way, and this is a huge motivator. So I was so disappointed when I learned that I was not gonna get it, but yeah, I didn't give up. And the person from YouTube support who was following up my case was really nice, and he really tried his best to make sure that he got my channel reviewed again. I honestly can't thank him enough. But enough with the backstory. Look at what we got. Here it is. You can see my ring light from here, but let me remove it from this packaging. I'm so excited, can you tell? This is how it looks like. Presented to Tess Ogamba for passing 100,000 subscribers. Oh, I'm so happy. Looks very nice. It has these things. I think if you wanna hang it, put it on the wall, you use these two hooks. Are they hooks? Not holes. Yeah, so if you wanna just place it like here, you can do that. Oh, this seems like a cool place to place mine. Anyway, so here we are, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing and for following my content and for trusting me to educate you and inform you and just create awareness about something that I'm very passionate about. And I am so lucky to have you in my corner. It's because of you that I'm able to get this, and I honestly can't thank you enough. I don't know how many thank yous will be enough, but I'm very grateful from the bottom of my heart. I feel so honored and humbled to receive this gift, this award that normally looks smaller than it actually is. Yeah. Oh, it looks great. Anyway, if I continue obsessing with it, I won't end this video. So that's it for this video. I wanted to do this unboxing because it's not just an achievement for me. It's for those people who've believed in me, people who trusted me to deliver. I know some people are very happy when they learned that I won't be getting the award. I'm really sorry for busting your bubble, but thank you for wishing me well and encouraging me. If you saw that post of me whining about not getting the award, and for that lady who left that very encouraging message or reply, thank you so much. May God bless you. See ya.